Okay, I'm going to show you how I went from too dark to, I think, bringing out all of the detail in the shadows on the dog's fur and giving a lovely light coming across the furniture in the background. So I open the image in the app Snapseed and I go to Tools. Again, I go right to Drama because with one touch, it's pretty much done what I wanted. So the fur looks, I can see the detail in it. I see the nice light raking across the furniture in the background. I'm very happy with that. The only thing that I might want to add is just a little bit of highlight on the dog's head. So I will save that from Drama. Then I go back to Tools and go to Selective. And now I'm, with my fingers, just going to pinch in the red area, which is where I'm going to make the lighter area. Oop, it's going to go right at the top of his head. And I'm going to up the brightness there a little bit. Just drag that a little bit brighter there. And I would consider that good. So I will export that. And then I'm going to take it into a different app. This time I'm going to take it into an app called Carbon. Now Carbon will make this black and white, which would be great if I wanted black and white, but I don't want to go totally black and white. You could pick some of their filters. It adds different textures to the black and white, but I'm going to pick one and then dial it back. So I'm still pulling back some more of that color. So it has some desaturation to it, adding that bit of black and white still pulling through, but I want to see the color, so I would save that. And then the only other thing that I would add is a little bit of a vignette around the edges, not too much. And now the dog is isolated from the rest of the scene. He is the main focus. So easy to do, just click Save. And it'll save it right to my camera roll.